Welcome back to our video, guys. Today we are going to see how to trim an object. It's a really easy operation. Just look at the figure here. I'm going to make a same here. You can copy that, but I'm going to show you how trim operation works. Just click a circle. I'm going to draw one circle here and a line. Just click a line. Escape. Okay. Now here you can see trim operation, right? Trim. Just click where you want to remove. Just click this one, and this one. You could see I got a same object as shown in the below here. So if you want to cut something, you can cut, like draw a line, and now we're going to trim this part here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now you could see an arc. That's all about trim operation. Let's see next video.